Hi there. Recently I was asked by my good friend Chris Levy from the Franchise Council if I would put together a little white paper about repeat business. And I did this, and then afterwards I was thinking, wow, I really should share that with everybody, because not everybody really gets it, what you've got to do in order to have a really good repeat business. Everybody seems to focus on getting new people through the door, which is understandable. However, the gold is really getting people to come back time and time again. So I thought, how do I break this down so that anybody can understand it and get the right things in place, and so they can have a repeat business? So this is what I put in the white paper, and I've got a feeling you're going to be able to download this too from beneath this video. So the first thing that you've got to have is reach. And what I mean by reach is you've got to be able to reach out to those people who are already your customers, your diners, your guests, and invite them back in order to dine again. So if you can't reach them because you've got no way of getting hold of them, then it's not a repeat business. You basically are hoping that people will come again, but your efforts are going into bringing in new people. But to get repeat business, you've got to be able to reach out and invite people to come in. So reach is about being able to do that. And the fastest way to do that is to grow a database of current customers. So make sure you have a way that you can collect data, and the correct data. And so that might be name and address and mobile and email and whatever it is that works for you. With the restaurant industry, the things that people celebrate most of all are birthdays and anniversaries. So we always make sure that we collect that too. So you need to collect a database. And obviously, if you're only collecting from the people coming through your door and you're going through a tough time, there's not enough people coming through the door. So you've got to be able to reach out further than just those people in the place. So go back and look at all of your booking forms, all the people that have come in over the years through the booking forms, all the people that have ordered takeaway from you, all the people that have ordered delivery from you, and get that database together along with the new people, and then you've got a way of reaching out to them. Now, of course, as days, weeks, months go on, you're going to build that database, and you can do new business strategies which will bring people in so you can build that database faster. But make sure when you bring those new people in, you put them onto your database too. So number one is reach. Number two is reason. So when you go out to your current customer database and you give them a message saying, hey, we're here, you've also got to give them a reason to come in. So that reason might be something as simple as it's your birthday, come in and dine with us. It could be something like it's St. Valentine's Day, come and celebrate that with us. Or it could be something like where we've got a guest chef come in, or we've done a chef swap. A chef from a local restaurant's coming in to cook with our chef, and then our chef's going over there. Something like that, wine matching, beer matching, whatever it is. You have to give people a reason that you're reaching out to them. So the thing is that a lot of what I see when it comes to things like SMS marketing is that people reach out to their list but don't give them an appropriate reason. So let's say that I belong to a golf club and I really like playing golf, and they keep reaching out to me from the golf club, sending SMSs telling me that there's $10 pork chops in the clubhouse. Well, I'm there to play golf. I'm not there to go to the clubhouse, and I'm not really there for discount dinners in and lunches in the clubhouse. If I go into the clubhouse afterwards, it's just to have a quick drink with my friends before I go. But every week they send me messages about pork chops or whatever it is. So they're reaching out to me, but the reason that they're reaching out to me is not appropriate. So what you've got to be aware of is, who is your customer, why are they coming here, and what's an appropriate message for you to reach out to them. So it could be calendar things, it could be things like Mother's Day, Father's Day, Valentine's Day. It could be that people have come to you because you are a discount place, and so you're going out with offers and discounts. It could be that you're not discount at all. You're high end, you do fine dining, you do amazing things, and if you were to send out a discount thing, people are going to get the wrong impression of you. But if you were to send out something to invite them to come and experience a wine dinner or an international chef that's visiting and is cooking with your chef, then great, that message really fits with your market. And so the reason that you're reaching out is appropriate. So number 1 is reach, number 2 is reason. And number 3 is the one that most people forget to do, and that is rationale. So we've got 3 R's: reach, reason, and rationale. And the rationale is kind of a call to action. It's the thing that makes people act now, order now, booking now, make a reservation now. It's that part. What is it that's going to make me do it right now? So a few things that people use as rationale for getting their clients to book straight away is things like scarcity. So we're only doing this for one night and we're a 50-seat restaurant, so you have to get in this night and in order to experience this. Or it could be, we've got 6 lobsters in the fridge, they have to be eaten in the next 2 days, we love to have you in, they're waiting for your order, send us a text now. And that one worked actually. We filled a restaurant with that one, and it was an SMS. So it has to have some kind of urgency about it. So it could be scarcity, we've only got 6. It can be scarcity, we've only got 50 seats. It could be urgency, I've only got room for 2 people or something like that, and you have to book in the next 10 minutes. So it can be that sort of thing, but there has to be a rationale for you to get them to book in straight away. So you've got reach, how do you reach out to them? Reason, making sure the reason's appropriate, and rationale, a way of getting them to act now. Once you've got those 3 things in place and you're growing that database, and on a regular basis you're sending out appropriate messages, inviting people in to dine in the way that's appropriate for your place, and you put in some urgency or scarcity or another reason in there, like we're giving you and a friend the opportunity to dine together because it's our birthday, there's your rationale, that kind of thing. As long as you're doing that, you are going to create a repeat business. Now, this is a numbers game, so if you've only got 10 people on your database, it's not going to work. What you do need to do is grow that database, because it's a numbers game. So if you're getting 20% every time you send out a message, 20% of people are actually coming in. 20% of 100 is 20 people, which is not going to keep you busy in a month. 20% of 100,000 is 20,000 people. So that will keep you busy. So the bigger the number of people on your database, if you're doing 20% redemptions, which we do all the time, the more people that are going to come in. So it's really important that you grow that database, and then you follow this process of reach, reason, and rationale. Hope that's been useful for you. By all means, read this as a blog on our website, and also you can download the white paper around this as a PDF from the website too. And I look forward to hearing from you. Let me hear from you about how you are using this. So I look forward to hearing from you soon.